Hey there everybody, Jasper with the Boys and Girls Club of Contra Costa here. I got another zucchini recipe for you, one of 5 different zucchini recipes, and today we are going to be making a very fun take on zucchini. If you've heard of pasta noodles and zucchini, what happens when you smash them together? You get zoodles. What are zoodles? They're kind of interesting, but everybody is able to make them at home. Let's take a look.
We got that guy, we got this guy, maybe we'll use him for another episode. I'm gonna go ahead and chop our end pieces off. Now remember, if you freeze it, you can actually peel it right off and it'll actually kind of squeeze out of its own casing. Alright.
All right, guys, that was our zoodle recipe. Super versatile. You can season it however you want, cut it however you want, and it's gonna turn out delicious pretty much every time. But remember, the most important ingredient in any recipe is you. If you guys enjoyed this episode, I hope that you leave a like, that you subscribe, and I will see you next time. All right? Take care, everybody.